Alright guys, don't get freaked out. But what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And like I said in previous videos, I try to drop content consistently every day, if not every day, every other day. But now let's get into, what's on top of my head. You guys obviously are not used to me seeing this. If you're new, then I'm just gonna explain to you guys right now. I do have epileptic seizures. I suffer from epilepsy since I'm a child, man. It comes from both sides of my family. And right away, I don't want anyone feeling bad for me. I really don't. But, I still want to continue to make videos. I got to keep this thing on my head for 4 days. It's kind of annoying. It's already been a day and a half with this on my head. And I just can't lay in the bed all day. I want to come out and I want to make content for you guys. Content that you deserve. But today we got a few packages we're going to be checking out. We also are going to be checking out those Travis Scott lows I've had, the Phantom Blacks. I've actually got a retail pair in hand, so we're going to be taking a quick look at those differences as well. If you stay tuned for tomorrow's video, I'm going to do a full detailed review on both shoes, compare both the differences, check out what's what on each shoe, just to give you guys an idea of how the UA game is actually stepping up. It really is stepping up its game. And it's, I believe it's removing money from the resellers' pockets. So before we get into all of that, huge shout out to my man, Seth. He sent over a package. I think this was a few days ago. He sent over a package from Apthcry. I actually texted him a picture of one of my favorite pairs that he sent me. Actually, they started to rip. So he's like, what's your ad? He's like, what's your address? He's like, oh, never mind, dude. I'm so stupid. I have your address. But anyway, let's get into this real quick. Ooh, we got a couple of pairs, man. Seth, I've known Seth, for a very, very long time, man. He is, I've known him before, let's just say I've known him since he's had 50,000 subscribers. He's actually at 1 million now. And counting, and that man puts in work. If you don't know who he is, which I'm sure you probably do, I'm gonna leave his links and the Apthcry links and all of that to the website and all of that good stuff in the description down below, so you can check that out. All right, we got, let's see these. Oh, he sent me another black and red pair. I hate opening these up. They're packaged so nice, but we gotta check them out. Ooh, this is really nice. See how they come packaged? Really, 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 really dope. Yeah, these are fire. I can't wait to get down, take some pics with my shoes with these. These are fire. That's the first pair. Check out the next pair. Fresh, 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 fresh. All white. Woo, with that Apthcry logo. So fresh. And with the 23 on it too. I believe that's a reflective 23. Yeah, I'm excited. Seth, thank you so much. Osman or Osman, I'm not too sure what your name is, but thank you as well, because I know you're one of the co-owners. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Ooh, and these are a nice pair for one of the shoes I'm about to unbox right now. I mean, I've unboxed them already on the channel, but they've got sent back to me, so oh yeah, these are super clean. Yeah, man. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram and you're new to the channel, all you got to do is hit the links in the description down below, and it'll take you directly to my Instagram. So I know I kind of look weird with this thing on my head. Trust me, it's bothering me every second. But like I said, I want to get the content out. I want to stay consistent. I want to grow on this channel. I want to make this my full-time job. Not saying that I don't love my full-time job at the auto glass place, because I really do. We really, we've built like a family over there. But this is my true passion. This is what I want to do. And I've seen all my peers, man. They've come from nothing. Let me tell you, they come from absolutely nothing to what they got now, and it's doable. I just got to be consistent. You know what I mean? If you guys are looking to pick up any of the socks that I just showed you, Apthcry.com is where you can pick them up. Remember, I will leave the links in the description. And here's a black pair of socks. These are really nice with like some birds on it. These are so cool. Man, thank you so much, Seth. I really, really appreciate it. Osman, you guys, I truly appreciate you guys. Really, really, thank you very much. All right, let's get into this unboxing. This is not an unboxing. We already had these shoes here. I actually sent them out to another fellow YouTuber doing the same thing I'm doing, or I'm doing the same thing he's doing, however you want to look at it. But these are we're just gonna wreck this whole box because this box is wrecked anyway. And I'm not feeling the best with this stupid thing on my head anyway, so I'm gonna get this done. This is the pair of the UA SB4s I got. They still got that glue smell. It's crazy, man. It's so crazy how, you know, how close these, you know, these came. I did a review and I did a real versus UA comparison. If you want to check that link, if you want to check out that video, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But you know what? Come back here. Make sure you finish this video. Also, too, guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It goes a huge way on helping the channel, and my channel needs some help. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to put out consistent content every day, like I said, if not every other day. So please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. It'll let me know what you guys like, what kind of content you like, and it helps the channel grow. Now we also have a pair of Carmine 6s. Now we got these from my boy Isaiah. He actually brought these over to me because I asked him to. He was going somewhere and he said, "Yo, Ed, I got a few shoes that well, I had the shoe that you wanted, which was the Travis Scott Phantom Blacks." And he said he's gonna drop these off too, because I also wanted to take a look at these. Maybe I'll clean them up for him. You know, make them look brand new. Now, as for the Travis Scotts, I do not believe they're brand new. The sleeve, they do not have it. And yeah, this is the shoe that I wanted to show you guys. Well, this is the top of the box. This is the shoe that I wanted to show you guys. Because like I said, I have the UA pair. You know what? Let's break those out real quick. These two I'm gonna give a little wash and you know, bring them back to life. But one sec. Let me grab the UA pair, just so we can get a sense of, you know, just so we can get a sense of what's going on. All right, this is the UA pair. Oh, these are actually size 11 too, so that's cool. They're both size 11. That real quick. Now guys, I get this thing taken off my head Monday, so tomorrow I probably won't be dropping any videos. Plus it's Easter Sunday, you know, I'm gonna spend the time with my family. But try to spend as much time as I can because I really don't want to be going outside with this thing on my head either. But yeah, these still have the black wax laces in it. Let me grab this one. From the looks of it, dude, the UA looks better. Obviously because these are used. But yeah, take a look at these, man. Can you tell which one is which? Can you tell which one's the UA? Can you tell which one is a retail? Man, really, really incredible. But anyway, guys, that's for another video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I just wanted to come on here explaining to you guys, you know, what's going on, why I've, you know, haven't been as consistent with the content. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know why. I actually got this put on my head yesterday, and like I said, it's coming off Monday. But guys, I just wanted to stop in, let you guys know. I hope you guys understand. And do me a favor, pray for your boy. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we are out, guys. Peace.